Meaning of disrepair.
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 Disrepair. Disrepair refers to a state of decay or deterioration in which something is no longer in good working condition. When something falls into disrepair, it means that it has been neglected or not properly maintained for a significant period of time, resulting in damage, wear and tear, or other forms of degradation. Objects, structures, equipment, and even relationships can fall into disrepair. The result of disrepair can vary depending on the context, but it generally means that the affected object or situation is no longer functional, safe, attractive, or desirable in some way.